Welcome to this Quickmap tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to install and configure the Quickmap Data Download Manager. The Data Download Manager automatically downloads Quickmap data updates to your server or PC, similar to Windows updates. Here's how to install it. First, make sure you have Quickmap version 8.2 or higher installed. This is required. Double-click on Data Download Services Setup.msi from your Quickmap data folder, or use the link below. Click Next to start. Read the End User License Agreement. Tick the box to accept it, and click Next. Confirm the installation location, then click Next again. Enter the license number provided to you. This is different from your Quickmap software license. If you don't have one, contact the support team. Choose a folder to temporarily store data updates while they download. Do not use your main data directory. Click Install, then Finish to complete the installation. Now, configure the Download Manager. Tick the box labeled Install Data Updates automatically and set your preferred start time. Scheduling it at night is best to minimize impact on users. Make sure your PC stays on overnight for the download to run. And that's it. The Download Manager will now automatically download and install updates at your chosen time. Please note, after installing the Quickmap Data Download Manager, new updates will become available with the next scheduled data update. To download and install updates manually, click the Download Now button. Once downloaded, click the Install Now button. You're now ready to use the Quickmap Data Download Manager efficiently, keeping your data up to date. You can check to see if your Quickmap property data is up to date by selecting Help, then Date of Property Data. If this is not what you expect, or you would like any additional support, please contact the Quickmap team on 0800 145 554 or email the team at support@quickmap.co.nz.